Popping shoulders? Well, this is a simple technique
Popcorn.
I use all the time, every day. I'm going to show you how to do it and why. 3 reasons why I do it. We'll get right to it.
Sounds good.
Okay, this technique is technically called breakading, right, Bob?
Right.
Bob, you do the same thing at home?
Yeah, I do.
Absolutely. And we learned it from this
Dr. Kirsch.
Dr. Kirsch, orthopedic surgeon. He's done shoulder surgeries
Retired.
for
decades.
decades. And he wrote this book so that you do not need to have as many surgeries or
Right.
any surgery.
Good testimonials.
It is an excellent book. So if you want to get the details, that's where we got our information, and we enjoy the benefits. The first reason, it feels good. When I do the breakading or hanging, my shoulders feel good. They literally
They pop?
pop, yeah.
I don't.
It's not like when you get your back cracked.
Right.
It's not that audible, but you can hear it in your shoulders. And it's in the morning. If I do it, after I do it once, I
It's
can't.
done for today.
Yeah, but after I get up in the morning, it definitely pops. Feels good.
Good
when
for
I
you.
when I get done with it, I feel much more awake. It gives me some vitality to start today.
Did you do it this morning?
Oh yeah,
Good for you.
yes. The next one. Oh, if you try, you're going to show you this a little bit. If it's painful, you certainly don't do it.
Right.
The second reason is it's probably the best stretch I know of to stretch out those lat muscles. And those latissimus dorsi muscles, if they get tight, they actually pull the shoulder blade and the shoulder down, which can create shoulder problems, headaches, etc.
Big problems.
The last reason is kind of a double benefit. It actually decompresses the spine, and you can see Bob and I are pulling on it. So the weight of your legs is doing what we're doing now. You get relief throughout the spine. Works great for my spine. I'm happy to do it.
Makes you taller.
Yep. Okay, let's get on with exactly how to do this. All right, if you don't have a pull-up bar or something to hang on, or the hanging handles that we have, actually, those are below the video if you're interested. Simply get a broomstick. We got the Booyah stick here, but you can use a broomstick, a piece of dolly, and PVC pipe. And you're going to put it down on the floor in a seated position. You can do it standing, but seated works a little better. If it's slippery on the floor, put your shoe down, put the stick or the broom handle in the shoe so it stays where it needs to be. Be in a position like Bob is, bring your hands up as high as you can, and then you simply lean forward, and as you lean, there's a lot of stretch going through your shoulders, similar to hanging. Not quite as good, but it works. It works in a pinch, and it helps. There.
Good for beginners.
Yep, good for beginners. And it's, cheap, easy. Pretty much everyone has a broom or a mop. Oh, yeah. All right. Very good. Again, hold that for 20 to 30 seconds and feel stretched. So here's the technique, as Dr. Kirsch calls it, breakading. We just call it hanging.
Hanging.
Yep.
Right. Very
so
simple.
it works really well. You can do this on a pull-up bar, but it does work better if your back is up against the wall like this.
Or a rafter.
Or a rafter. Anything you grab on and hang, you can do this. The biggest and important thing is you have to have very good control of zero stretch on your arms or hanging, and then slowly go down to the point where you feel you've got enough pressure going through your shoulders and your back. A lot of people will not. I can hang with my feet here, and I'm very comfortable. It feels good for 20 to 30 seconds. But when you start, you may only be down
It may
to,
take you a while.
40, 50%. And just hold it there for, 15, 20 seconds, up to 30 seconds. The wall actually improves your posture, too, because you can see my shoulder blades are back. Everything is in line. My head is back, so I know it's just a much better way to do it. But if you got pull-up bar or branch or something to hang on, that will work as well. Okay, so this is how I do it. I hang 20 to 30 seconds. I feel, and this also gets the fascia, which it's always nice to stretch your fascia for pain relief.
A lot of benefits.
Yep. Now, I do this particularly before I go swimming because I want to have a good long stroke and keep my arms protected from when I swim. Particularly if you're a competitive swimmer, I think this would be absolutely Something you do not want to miss out on. Oh, boy, it feels good, Bob.
Very good.
All right, so very good. It's as simple as that. Mine didn't pop here because I've already popped them this morning.
Right. Pop goes the weasel.
So anyways, it's not necessary that your shoulders pop, but when they do, it kind of adds that little psychological.
Yep, fun.
Yep, exactly right.
Agreed.
Very good. Keep care of those shoulders and your spine as easy as that.